Hey friends, today I am going to show you 5 WhatsApp hacks, tricks and tips. This is actually part 1 of this series. Subscribe and enable the bell icon to see the upcoming videos. Okay, the first trick. If you want to add text, like, I am typing Mysore. Okay, this is generally how it looks like, but if you actually click on that color bar on the right side, if you hold and swipe, you can change the color. But if you hold and swipe to left, you can actually change the font. Now, it looks lot better than the default one. The next trick I am going to teach you is how to add bold, italics, and strike through on text on WhatsApp. So, if you type anything, this is usually how it looks like. But if you want the text to be bold, go to your special characters and click on the star symbol, then type whatever the message you want to be bold and put another star symbol on the end. Now the text is bold. If you want to make the text italics, then you simply use the underscore symbol, then type the message, then again use the underscore. Now, the text is italics. Now, if you want strike through, simply use this funny looking wiggly line, type in the message and again use it. Now, the text has the strike through. Now, if you open a photo and add a speech bubble. But what actually really cool is, if you actually rotate the speech bubble with your fingers as you see me doing here, the arrow changes to wherever you want. And then you can add any text to that speech bubble, and you can post it. The next trick is how to add shortcuts on home screen. If you open a group or chat, click on the top right icon, then click on More. There will be an option, Add Shortcut. If you click on that, the WhatsApp will add that specific chat to your home screen. So, next time, you can simply tap on that icon and chat with your friends. Okay, at last, I am showing you is, if you open a picture, and you can add an emoji to that picture, wherever you want. On the side, you can see the color rainbow box. If you swipe it, you can actually change the color of that specific emoji. And, you can also change the skin tones of some emojis like this one. Okay friends, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, comment your questions, share with your friends, and, at last, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon. See you on the next video. Stay home, stay safe.